Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do Sephora recommendations for the upcoming VIB sale. Well, I think by the time this video comes out it's going to be the day the sale starts. So the VIB sale, Sephora sale, whatever you decide to call it, it is a sale for Sephora's members. So they have like 3 tiers: VIB Rouge, VIB, and Beauty Insider. I'm VIB. I'm not VIB Rouge because the girl not spending over $1,000 at Sephora, but you never know. But yeah, so Sephora has those 3 tiers. Anybody can sign up anytime and become a Beauty Insider, but then your points build you to the different tiers. So in today's video we're gonna go into like different categories of things I recommend and some things I want as well. So let's get right into it, and yeah. Let's start with skincare. So the first thing and the top thing I would recommend picking up in like skincare body care section is the Fenty Skin Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. So I've had this for quite some time. I bought it at some sale they were having. It was on sale and I picked it up and I had it just there sitting, and I don't know why I just never tried it or anything like that, but it was just there. And one day, like, my skin got really dry, nothing I was using was working, and it was red across here. You know, I'm dark skinned. For it to be red, you know something is really wrong, something's really irritated. And I put that Fenty Skin Butter Drop on it, and when I tell you, instantly moisturized and stayed moisturized. I highly recommend that. And I use Nivea lotion, like the one for dry to very dry skin, and amazing. It is so much better than that, but you know, it's a pretty penny, so I suggest picking it up during this sale. The next thing I would recommend is the Tatcha Rice Wash Skin Softening Cleanser. I own this as well. It's amazing cleanser. It leaves my skin feeling very, I wouldn't say extremely moisturized, but it is moisturized and not drying to the skin at all, but it also makes you feel very clean. So I highly recommend this. I'm going to do a video on my skincare and like how I try to keep my skin hydrated, but your girl's working on some things, and some things I need to pick up during this sale as well. The next thing I recommend is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I keep mine right by my bed. I have the berry flavor, the original, and yeah, there's not much else for me to say. It works wonders, so pick it up. Two things I would like to try are the Necessaire. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick it up, even though I would say I like to try it. I still don't think, well, I don't know if I'll pick them up, but recommendations for you because I see people on YouTube talk about them all the time. The Necessaire body wash with niacinamide. I suggest if you want to try anything from Necessaire, I would use this opportunity to try it. Now that Sephora's having a sale. The next thing is Topicals High Roller Ingrown Hair Tonic with AHA and BHA. So, you know, vacation time will come up. Girl, go for vacation just now. And yeah, wax. I know a lot of people suffer from ingrown hairs, especially those of you who shave. I used to suffer a lot from ingrown hairs when I used to shave way back when, and then God gave us Brazilian waxes for a reason, and yeah, from time to time I do get ingrown hairs depending on my underwear and stuff like that, and in between my groin. But I saw Rosita Applebaum talk about this, and I am intrigued because it's like a roller, like, you know, deodorant used to have that roller ball. This has a roller ball as well. And the last skincare recommendation that I would give is the Fresh Brown Sugar Body Polish Exfoliator. I saw this girl on YouTube, I can't pronounce her name. I think she was something Africana at one point, but she changed her YouTube name to her actual name. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, she was raving about this product, that it smells good and all of that, so I would highly recommend that. And I know that I said that was the last thing, but I would also recommend anything from Skin Fix. So I have in my actual loves on the Sephora app, like the Skin Fix Barrier and Foaming Oil Hydrating Cleanser and the Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid Hyaluronic Serum. So I know they also said like the body scrub is excellent and all of that, so I would use this opportunity to purchase and to try Skin Fix if that's something you would like to do. Skincare can be very expensive, because even just looking at the things that I want to pick up, I already running like for 3 things over $150 if I was supposed to buy them regular price. So yeah, I would recommend jumping on this sale ASAP. The second category I'd recommend is in the recommendations is makeup. So the first thing I'd recommend is the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, 24 hour I think 24-hour foundation. I'll put them up on the screen, of course. And yeah, I highly recommend that. I'm wearing it today with my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation thing over it, but I actually could wear it out by itself because my skin is so dry, but it is beautiful. It's a good match. Love it. No complaints here. Highly recommend it. I don't know what else to tell you. A lot of people rave about this foundation. You know what else to tell you. The next thing that I'm looking to actually pick up in this sale is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. This is their new foundation. My shade was out of stock for quite some time. It's back in stock, but me wait till the sale, so hopefully it'll run out by the time I'm ready to purchase. So yeah, if you want to try a new makeup, a new foundation, I would suggest picking up the Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. I've always had good things to say about Makeup Forever and their longwear foundation and their HD foundations. I find that besides the Lancome, I found that Makeup Forever always came out with almost my perfect match. Not spot on, but it's the closest makeup company that has my match. The next thing I would recommend is Pat McGrath Labs. I've never tried anything from Pat McGrath. I'm thinking about trying her Sublime Perfect Concealer. So yeah, I know her foundation is like $68. I don't think I want to pick it up because I don't think I want to buy a foundation for almost $70, and with 15% off, I don't think it's gonna make such a big difference. So maybe another time. But I definitely want to try her Sublime Perfection Concealer. Next thing I have on the makeup is, I don't know if you can pronounce this, is LYS Beauty. I think it's black on. I want to try the Aim High Press Highlighter Powder. It has good reviews on Sephora. So yeah, I don't know much about it. I've never tried it. So yeah. The next thing I'd recommend is Charlotte Tilbury. If you were waiting to try anything Charlotte Tilbury, I would suggest that now is the time you try. I want to try her Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So maybe not. We'll see how the thing runs. And the next on the makeup things, I would say try tools. Try buying tools during the sale. I know there's one Sephora collection brush that I want to try, but every time I've been to Sephora closest to me, they've been out of it. So I want to try and pick it up if I can during the sale. And I would say Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender, the blenders are blending well. And the last category that I have is fragrances. Now, I'm very big on fragrances. I absolutely love fragrances. The one I really wanted to try and pick up during the sale was the Kilian Paris Angel Share Eau de Parfum, but I don't think I want to pick it up right now. Maybe in the next sale, because I mean it's summertime, spring and summer coming on, and I think I should get my spring and summer scents, and not necessarily, I think this is more of a fall winter type scent. So yeah, the ones that I would definitely recommend is the Lancome Idole. I got that during the Ulta sale last week for 50% off. I also would recommend Black Opium by Saint Laurent, YSL Beauty. I absolutely love Black Opium. It's my all-time favorite perfume. I would also recommend Giorgio Armani's C, and the Intense version though, because that's one I have. I have Black Opium, I have C Intense. I don't know how the regular C smells, but I got the Intense, and I would highly recommend that. It lasts forever on the skin, at least for me that is. I would also recommend Lancome's La Vie est Belle, if that's what it is called. I would also recommend, what is that other one? Chanel Mademoiselle. I ran out of that, so maybe I may consider picking another one up. It's not something I'm like, oh my god, I need to have it, but because of that Lancome one that I got. But definitely pick up your fragrances for the sale. And a thing or two for the men, I would definitely pick up good deodorant. I would suggest the YSL Le Homme, I think it's called, or Lum. They have the deodorant. I would suggest picking up the Yves Saint Laurent, the Y Eau de Parfum, or yeah. You can also pick up Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani or Armani Beauty, the Gucci Guilty for men, skincare, the things for your beard, all of that. I really would recommend fragrances mostly and skincare for men from Sephora. But this is it for my recommendations. I hope y'all enjoyed my recommendations. Tell me down below what you would pick up, if you would pick up anything. I hope y'all are living life to its fullest and in a safe way. Be blessed, stay safe. Bye.